Even from the first time I came here and now, to know that people like my work here, it's very heartening, it's very respectful, it's very dignified, and I love it. I think everybody is here too warm and sweet and hospitable.
What is something you like about Saudi Arabia? What's your favorite thing about Saudi?
Honestly, I love Abu Nasser. He keeps
Abu
calling.
Nasser,
I love him.
yes.
I think
He's
he's the
very
sweetest gentleman. He's
supportive.
very supportive, very kind.
Yes.
And I've shot a film here. So I love the locations here, Neom and everything that I've been to.
Yeah.
And the culture and the people. And the food is lovely.
The food is
It's
lovely.
really
Yes,
nice. It's
yes.
really nice to come here. I wish I could spend more time. I spent about 12 days last time. But now I want to stay and come for a holiday, not work.